Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make steak mac and cheese. We will begin by selecting and preparing a flavorful cut of steak, ensuring it is perfectly cooked. Next, we will craft a velvety, rich cheese sauce using a blend of cheeses, which will coat your chosen pasta beautifully. Finally, we will combine these delicious components, offering tips for a truly memorable and comforting dish that serves 4 to 6 people. For the perfect steak, select a cut such as sirloin or ribeye, ideally about 1 inch thick. Season both sides generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Heat a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat with 1 tablespoon of oil until shimmering. Sear the steak for 3 to 4 minutes per side for a medium-rare finish. Remember to let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing it against the grain into small, delicious pieces. Now let's create the creamy mac and cheese base. Cook 8 ounces of your favorite pasta like elbow macaroni or cavatappi until it's perfectly al dente. For the sauce, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan, then whisk in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to form a smooth roux. Slowly pour in 2 1/2 cups of whole milk, stirring constantly until thickened. Finally, stir in 2 cups of shredded cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese until melted and smooth. The final step is to bring everything together for this incredible dish. Gently combine the al dente pasta with your rich, warm cheese sauce, ensuring every piece is coated. Then, carefully fold in the tender, sliced steak pieces. You can serve this delightful steak mac and cheese immediately, perhaps garnished with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or some toasted breadcrumbs for added texture. This hearty meal is perfect for a cozy evening.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.